here's you can generate color palette in Figma. So you can easily generate color palettes by doing this simple step that I'm gonna show you in this video. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, go to your favorite web browser, and as you all can see, I've already opened Figma. So how do I get the colors? First of all, you go and search up material UI. So there we have it, material UI. So I'm just gonna go over here, and it's asking me for sign up. Let me try a free one, color palette generator. So there we go, and we should have this one. So there are many. I'm just gonna click on start the generator. Let's go. I'm just gonna skip the tutorial. So as you all can see, every color has its own number. So what you have to do is copy this. Once you've copied the number, the color, go back to Figma and go to main menu. You'll see plugins. After going to plugins, just click on manage plugins and search up foundation color generator. Click on it and press run. So it's gonna run. So there we have it. So once you're here, just paste the color palette that you copied and name it whatever you want. Let's say first, and you just click on create styles, and when you go over here on export, you'll see your foundation. When you click on it on first, there you have it. You have all the colors, and you can create as many as color palettes you want. So let's say you want another color palette. So I'm just gonna go over here, copy this and paste the number and name it second, and create styles once again, and there you have it. You have multiple color palettes now. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can generate color palettes in Figma. So I hope I helped you guys out. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.